Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Bar Studio Soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case the soundbar is not working for some reason, like it's not connecting to your network or to Bluetooth, or it's not pairing with your device or anything like that. A factory reset can very often fix those issues. The second reason you might want to do this is any variety of reasons where you want to clear the pairing history, clear the connection history, delete all the settings, so you can set this up basically like it's a new soundbar, whether you're moving or you're setting it up on a new network or anything like that. This reset will work for that. All we need to do is we're going to start by turning the soundbar on. It needs to be on, and once it's on, we're going to press and hold the source button, the volume up button, and the volume down button. All three of those buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds, or for at least 5 seconds, let's say, because after those 5 seconds or so, the soundbar will automatically turn off and then turn back on into its factory default state, and you can set it up basically as a new soundbar.